What is the environmental impact of construction machinery operations? Imagine a busy construction site where heavy machines are working non-stop. These machines help build our cities and roads but also leave a mark on the environment. When construction machinery operates, it mainly affects the air, land, water, and nearby ecosystems. Heavy equipment like bulldozers, excavators, and loaders usually run on diesel engines. These engines burn fuel and releases greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and tiny particles into the air. These emissions contribute to climate change and can cause health problems for workers and nearby residents. Fuel consumption is very high because these machines perform energy-intensive tasks like digging, lifting, and moving heavy loads. This means more fuel is used, which increases the carbon footprint and operational costs. Noise pollution is another concern. The loud sounds from machinery can disturb local communities and wildlife, causing stress and habitat disruption. Transporting heavy equipment to different sites also adds to emissions and environmental strain. To lessen these impacts, the industry is turning to cleaner, more efficient machinery. Modern machines are equipped with emission control devices like diesel particulate filters and selective catalytic reduction systems. These help reduce harmful exhaust gases and meet stricter environmental rules. Using fuel-efficient machines and automatic engine shutoff features also helps cut down fuel use and emissions. Advanced technology like telematics and remote monitoring allows operators to manage equipment better. This means optimizing fuel consumption and reducing unnecessary idling. Regular maintenance and choosing the right size of machinery for each task also help minimize environmental harm. For example, smaller, more efficient excavators can do the job without wasting fuel or causing extra noise. For professionals in project management and site operations, understanding these environmental effects is key. Selecting eco-friendly equipment, following best practices to reduce emissions and noise, and complying with environmental laws are all part of responsible construction work. These efforts not only protect the environment but can also lead to smoother project progress and fewer regulatory issues. In the end, construction machinery does impact the environment through emissions, fuel use, noise, and ecosystem disturbance. But with new technology and smarter management, these effects can be significantly reduced. This approach is becoming more important as the industry moves towards sustainable building practices and greener site operations.